Hey students, today let's review how to log in into your online textbook, the Big Ideas textbook. So for you to access your online textbook, we need to go to Clever. If you don't know, just type in, if you don't know the website, just type in the words Clever PGCPS login, and that should give you the link to Clever. So I signed in earlier, so it's signed me right away. But if not, if it asks you to select a school, so just follow the directions. Make sure that you select Kenmore Middle School and use your username and password that you usually use when you log into school. So anyway, this is our Big Ideas icon. This is our textbook, Big Ideas. You might see other icons in your Clever account, like for this Khan Academy, very useful for math. I probably will use this for our remote learning, online learning. Discovery Education, this is for science mostly, or probably social studies. So if you can't find any of this icon, what you need to do is use the search bar. If you use the search bar, you can type in Big Ideas and you should be able to see the app name Big Ideas. Click that and it will let you go into Big Ideas. Now, mine might look different. So for you on this side, it might have a picture of the textbook. For sixth grade, it's a green Big Ideas textbook. For the seventh grade, it will be a red one. So if you have the image, you should have a right image, and there should be a word there that says continue, or you can click on dynamic classroom. If you click on dynamic classroom, that should bring you to your textbook. Now, as you can see, the tools at the top, this word menu, that's your table of contents. If you click that, you would see where you're at. Right now, we are at chapter 6.3. If you click this back arrow, it will bring you to the main menu. So this is chapter 6, and this is the sub-chapters, 6.1, like the mini chapters. And if you click again, it will bring you to the main menu. So from chapter 1 all the way to chapter 10 of the textbook. So this is your table of contents or the menu. These will be your math tools, your notes. If you click my notes, if you want to write notes that some things that you want to remember, you can add a note. This is your online textbook. Some math tools that you can access as well. Now, if I so for our online learning, I will be very specific if I need to tell you where to go. So, for example, let's go to ratios and rates. I'm using a sixth grade textbook, by the way. So I say, you know what? Go to chapter 3.3. So I click on chapter 3 and I look for 3.3. There you go, ratio tables. So once I click to chapter 3.3, it gives me what the sub chapter is all about. Examples, you can play the examples, like unclick that. There you go. So it will play, it will read to you. And then if you it says click through example, you can do that. Now in here, wish I have a tablet I can write on it. They'll be very, very nice. So anyway, you can do some sample problems as well. So the try it examples. Now, if you don't know how to do this, it's pretty easy because this question mark will give you a link to a video. It's very, very to review. Let me move it forward. It will explain it to you. There you go. Since you know the topic of the textbook, you can actually like know the topic and go to Khan Academy and search for the topic for more reviews. Now, if you want to practice more, this will be your practice and it gives you more options. Now, if you click on this Rubik's Cube on the side, let me see, let me minimize my window, 80%. Okay, here we go. If you see this, this gives you the link to different problems. If you want to jump to number 24, you can. And if you don't know, again, you can click this arrow and watch the video, or you can try to answer first and check your answer by clicking this bulb image. So for this video, I'm just gonna teach you how to access your textbook. Again, you can play with this week, so because you guys are more techy than I am. So that's